बहुत ही अच्छी shape ले रहा है, and that's what Pilates does to me. So I tried to do it in the morning before shoot, but I feel very, very lazy. Some people enjoy it, कहते हैं कि they get that energy and then they're ready to shoot and all that. But I feel I get very drained after a Pilates class, and I really want to just relax. So for some odd reason, I enjoy it around 6:30 in the evening. ये सब मैं नहीं follow करती कि protein shake पी लिया and all that. Sorry, I'm not that kind of a person. I eat whatever I want to, clearly. And if I really want to cheat, I eat. ऐसा नहीं, no रोक टोक. Don't ask me this question. Somebody who's going to go and have pizza at 11 o'clock is ready to cheat any time of the day, any time of the day. So clearly I'm the wrong person to ask this. Listen, so the other day mom had made chole bhature. See, it's a no-no, like bhature at night, like तेल से ऐसे गर्मा गर्म फूलते हुए निकले and then you're having that. It is a sin. Who cares? Who cares? I try to, like, so the days I'm off, I run for a Pilates class. My teacher, Ruchi, I just message her, मैं आऊँ क्या class? And she'll say, come. Because I started to enjoy this form of exercise. Had it been a simple workout at a gym, yuck. I mean, I'm the last person to do that. I love dancing. So it's either Zumba or it is Pilates. But it's more, these days, it's Pilates because I think I enjoy that. Listen, I tried this GM diet, but I was very young. Maybe I was doing Kabul hai then. Not that I'm old now. बट शायद मैं कबूले के दिनों में GM किया था, जब एक दिन सिर्फ फल खाते हैं, दूसरे दिन सिर्फ सब्जियां खाते हैं. ऐसे कौन करता है? I'm sorry, but people who follow, hats off. But I thought it was really crazy. I then figured that I think, just eat what makes you happy, which everybody will, a lot of people swear by. And somehow I think even I am very happy when I'm kind of eating food that makes me happy. Listen, lots of people told me it's vodka tonic or vodka with water lime or something. I'm not a vodka person. They say if it's an aged wine, purani wine hoti hai busalo wali, that is, one glass of it is very good for heart. But it has to be aged. Like it's an aged wine basically. But those are expensive wines. So I think I would really enjoy with my meal, I enjoy wine. But these days I enjoy gin tonics. So I think gin tonic is also fairly decent alcohol drink. I think, I'm not sure यार वो ना नकली वाले नाचनी के चिप्स आते हैं सिर्फ हमें खुश करने के लिए कि वो नाचनी के चिप्स हैं, पर उसमें जो मसाले होते हैं ना, उसे क्लियरली पता चलता है हेल्दी नहीं होते, बस सिर्फ अपने मन को खुश करने वाली बात है. आई एम हैविंग नाचनी चिप्स इन द इवनिंग. Post that, I can feel all the masalas in my body.
To be my lunch or dinner. Then when I'm out, this was ghar ka khana. When I'm out, I usually go for a bowl, like a burrito bowl, or maybe like again chicken breast with some veggies. I like to not cheat with my meals, but again, like I said, I try. Okay. Now, talking about my mid-evening snack. Again, mid-evening snack is either a good nice sandwich. Maybe could be a paneer sandwich or a chicken sandwich, or like a roll, like a multi-grain roll, or a sub, or sometimes also a makhana is cool for me with a cup of nice coffee. Then talking about my dinner, I like to keep my dinner lighter compared to all the meals that I've had in the day. But again, वो manage नहीं हो पाता because I mean I try to have my dinner at 8-9ish, but again वो possible नहीं हो पाता because no 2 days are alike, and sometimes your shoot gets over so late in the night that you come home and I tend to eat super late in the night. But again, that's something that I can't do much about. So my dinner is light. अगर घर पे हूँ तो मैं I like to keep it like a bowl of veggies, dal, and maybe like a small portion of carbs, like a cup of rice or half roti. So yeah, and if I'm out, then maybe a soup and something like a good appetizer does good for me. I wish I was blessed with getting away from everything that I could eat. I work hard, I work out so that I can eat whatever I want to. But I think right now I have a decent metabolism, because I don't have one cheat day. I have a lot of cheat days in a week, unfortunately. But again, I try to work out 6 days in a week so that I can get away from everything that I eat throughout. To have lots of water. Like initially, लोग बोलते हैं, and I don't know why is it so underrated, because having lots of water helps for your skin, helps for your system. So I think drinking lots of water and adding salads to my diet has changed a lot of things for me. I am a day person. But I can't, I'm definitely not a night owl. I'm a day person. Like, I wake up at say 9, 10. Again, that depends if I'm working, if I'm not working. But I think I'm a morning person.
There's good food. That's my favorite meal of the day. Italian, because there's so much cheese and there's so much carb. I love carb and cheese. Just heaven. I work out depending on my schedules, on how my day is planned. So when I was shooting for my TV shows, I used to shoot 9 to 9. So I used to get up at 5:30 in the morning and 5 o'clock in the morning, go work out and then reach my set. But now I'm not doing a TV show. So I work out as in when I feel. My meetings are planned according to the day. So my swimming generally happens around evening-ish so that I don't tan. And if I have to go for a jog also, I'll go in the evening, or if I hit the gym, I'll go in the morning. Ideally, the best time to work out is in the morning, so that your body metabolic rate is really high and your heart beats really fast the whole time. If you work out and go to sleep, I think it's a little not recommended to work out and just go to sleep, because your palpitation is like really racing, and then you just put yourself to sleep and all your mehnat is gone for a toss, and you'll feel hungrier in the night. So initially, in between, when I was like really hardcore trying to reach my goal, I used to wake up in the night at 3 o'clock, have my midnight snack and go to sleep again. That's also what you do, because you don't keep your stomach hungry for a very long period of time. That's not healthy. 2 egg whites, 1 yellow and 1 toast, or probably my whole lunch. You know, I have like a proper post-workout meal, and don't work out empty stomach. It's the worst thing to do. Yes, there is a lot of special prep. Firstly, I give up on dairy, and you have to give up on salts, which is very difficult, but you have to do it. You got to do what you got to do. And yeah, so you have to give up on dairy, because anything which bloats your body. So yeah, give up on salts and give up on dairy, and lots of. I am actually I have a lot of water, so I avoid that as well. I cheat a lot in my meals. I love to cheat on my meals. That's the only place I love cheating. And I happily indulge in it. So officially, by my nutritionist, I'm allowed 2 cheat meals a week. But since now I have reached my target weight, and I'm very happy with the way I am, currently the shape I am in. So even if I cheat my meal, my next meal I try to balance it out. But 2 cheat meals are decent for me. They're good enough. My favorite cheat meal is risotto with a lot of cheese. So if I have to, and there's this one, I like banoffee. I love banoffee, and I just go and cheat on banoffee. I can't have spicy food. I like my food bland, like no spices. I can't have tikha at all. I die. Swimming. I love to swim. I love running, but my body is so used to running, because I used to run for like 7 kilometers, and my body is so used to it that I have to change it now to shock my